Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I do these large knotless braids on natural hair, waist length, color 1B, okay? If you are interested in seeing this tutorial, girl, just go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you do that first, okay? But then like the video. And after you do that, then just continue watching this video, all right? So, yeah, we are just starting off. Our hair is natural. It's pretty long. It's thick. It's full. It's beautiful, okay? So, I use the Shine and Jam product. I use that product basically on every body, every style. You know what I'm saying? So, I use that for everything. I do want to eventually, venture off to something else. But for right now, girl, I'm sticking to what I know, okay? So, yeah. If you guys are interested in really getting a tutorial, it is coming in this video. There are different parts where you can zoom in where you can see exactly how I'm gripping, how I'm adding hair and everything, okay? So do not run away from this video yet, okay? If it's not exactly what you want to see, because like I said, I do zoom in and stuff later on in the video, okay? So just stay tuned. So like I said, I use 7 to 8 packs of the pre-stretch braiding hair. And yeah, so whenever I'm starting off with the knotless braids, I do like to start off with a smaller pieces, 2 smaller pieces to start off my knotless braids, because it helps me blend and everything together. That is just a method that I like to use. Some people start off with thick pieces. I like to start off with 2 slim pieces and then I get to the thick pieces, okay? It just gives me more control over the hair, and then it helps me just kind of blend everything together and everything flows well together, okay? After I do that, like I said, everything just kind of flows after that. Now, for the parting, okay? The parting, I like to do something called the brick layer parting, okay? If you do not know what brick layer parting is, please Google it really quick. But if you don't want to, I'm going to try to explain really, really fast, because I just hate talking for long periods of time in videos like this, okay? So, brick layers, basically, I'm parting in between the previous row, in between those parts. So if I have this box parting underneath, I will part the row above that row. Is going to be, all the braids are going to sit in between those previous braids. So that way you don't have big old spaces in the hair, and everything kind of blends and flows and smooths together. You know what I'm saying? So it's not so many gaps in between the braids, all right? So it just kind of helps you kind of have everything in order, so everything kind of looks full. Yeah, so that's basically what a brick layer motion is, all right? So I like to do that when I have braids, all right? Especially braids like this. I do square parting or rectangle parting. I do not do it on free parts. I just don't like the way it looks. It looks way cleaner when you have big parting like that, to do square or rectangle or something like that, okay? And okay, so I am left-handed, honey, so I like to add hair from the left-hand side. If you are right-handed, I highly suggest you to add hair from the right side, because it gives you more control, okay? My right hand is my least dominant hand. That's what I hold all the hair with. My left hand is what I really kind of just run things with, all right? That's how I add hair on the left-hand side only. I always make sure I wait and go to the left-hand side when it comes to adding hair in, all right? So I add about 5 to 6 pieces per braid. If I need more, I add more. But for the most part, that kind of gives me all the same size and gives me all the same type of look. Now, I do not count it, because I've been doing hair for a while. However, if you need to count, baby, count, okay? Count. If you are struggling with how big of a piece to add when it comes to sizing, I do have a video on how to, a foolproof way to know how to get the same size braids every single time, okay? So if you guys are interested, I can link that below. Just let me know. I'm not going to just link everything below. I'm going to just, wait till you guys say that's what you want to request, and then I'll link it, all right? I don't want to add all these different links to stuff y'all don't really want to see, all right? So, yeah, so that is basically what we're doing. Whenever you do add the Shine and Jam to the roots, make sure you smooth it with a comb or smooth it out really good, so that way you're not getting all these lumps and bumps and waves in the hair, because we are working with natural hair, okay? So, yeah, like I said, I'm zoomed in. I'm zooming in a lot more throughout this video. So if y'all are interested, just go ahead and continue watching, all right? Okay? So, yeah, that's basically it for right now. If I need to say something later on, I will come back and add something later on. But yeah, other than the closing, I'm just going to talk to y'all a little later. All right, y'all.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel? Oh girl, come take a seat. Think about how it feels when you sit down, when all day you've been on your feet. When you're getting a back rub and then not just releases. When you've been on a strict diet and the day comes to cheating. When you let your head down when it's been up all day. When you're lost mentally and take time to pray. Let's stay after you meditate. Tell me, sis, can you relate? That's how it feels. Is he for real? Hey,
That's how you know, that's how you know you found real love. That's how you know, that's how you know you found love. That's how you know you hit a jackpot, girl, when you found love. Feel it in your gut.
have you ever found some change at the bottom of your purse? Have you had someone make your day when you feel at your worst?
Girl, there ain't nothing better than that feel. I know it all so well. From the way that you smile and talk about him, I can tell.
It got me so strong, just like that T-Pain song. Never thought I'd get here the way these men be doing wrong.
Yes, I know it. Trust me, I get it. Been there so many times. Real men are so damn hard to find.
That's how I know, that's how I know I found real love. That's how I know, that's how I know I found love. That's how I know I hit the jackpot. Girl, I know I found love, I feel it in my gut, yeah.
Baby girl, your gut don't lie. You better trust that feeling. It don't lie.
That's how I know.
Yeah. That's how you know.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel? Oh girl, come take a seat. Think about how it feels when you sit down, when all day you've been on your feet. When you're getting a back rub and then not just releases. When you've been on a strict diet and the day comes to cheating. When you let your head down when it's been up all day. When you're lost mentally and take time to pray. Let's stay after you meditate. Tell me, sis, can you relate? That's how it feels. Is he for real? Hey,
That's how you know you found real love. That's how you know you found love. That's how you know you hit a jackpot, girl, when you found love. Feel it in your gut.
have you ever found
The
some change?
way that you smile and talk about him, I can tell.
It got me so strong, just like that T-Pain song. Never thought I'd get here the way these men be doing wrong.
Yes, I know it. Trust me, I get it. Been there so many times. Real men are so damn hard to find.
That's how I know, that's how I know I found real love. That's how I know, that's how I know I found love. That's how I know I hit the jackpot. Girl, I know I found love, I feel it in my gut, yeah.
Baby girl, your gut don't lie. You better trust that feeling. It don't lie.
That's how I know.
Yeah. That's how you know.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel? Oh girl, come take a seat. Think about how it feels when you sit down, when all change at the bottom of your purse? Have you had someone make your day when you feel at your worst?
Girl, there ain't nothing better than that feel. I know it all so well. From the way that you smile and talk about him, I can tell.
Girl, you got me so strong, just like that T-Pain song. Never thought I'd get here the way these men be doing wrong.
Yes, I know it. Trust me, I get it. Been there so many times. Real men are so damn hard to find.
That's how I know. That's how I know I found real love. That's how I know. That's how I know I found love. That's how I know I hit the jackpot. Girl, I know I found love. I feel it in my gut, yeah.
Baby girl, your gut don't lie. You better trust that feeling. It don't lie.
That's how I know.
Yeah. That's how you know.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel? Oh girl, come take a seat. Think about how it feels when you sit down, when all day you've been on your feet. When you're getting a back rub and the night just releases. When you've been on a strict diet and the day comes to cheating. When you let your head down when it's been up all day. When you're lost mentally and take time to pray. Stay after you meditate. Tell me, sis, can you relate? That's how it feels. Is he for real?
That's how you know. That's how you know you found real love. That's how you know. That's how you know you found love. That's how you know. That's how you know you hit a jackpot, girl. When you found love, feel it in your gut.
Have you ever found some change at the bottom of your purse? Have you had someone make your day when you feel at your worst?
Girl, there ain't nothing better than that feel. I know it all so well. From the way that you smile and talk about him, I can tell.